talk about how can you get premium on your NovelToon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on mine down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on the IP center here. You just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, and here can you select if you want to add monthly. You click here on subscribe now. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Add credit or debit card here, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.